Hello, everybody. Welcome. My name is Keith McKay, and I'm the CEO of Prime Choice Funding. I'm excited to present to you guys today. Prime Choice Funding has been around since 2007. We're out of Southern California, and we've got access to all of the different wholesale lenders in the nation. A little bit of background on the company. We started off as a mortgage broker, ended up becoming a mortgage lender, had a wholesale division, and done great things for a lot of folks. Today, we call it the Prime Choice Funding families because we have our hand in a few different buckets, from mortgage to real estate to solar. So a lot of offerings to potential homeowners and already homeowners. Our motto is we're in line with homeownership affordability. And so myself founded Prime Choice Funding back in 2007. I started in the mortgage business when I was about 18 years old as a notary. Went on to become a broker at age 25 and built up one of the most successful brokerages in the nation. And then ultimately we became a mortgage lender. I saw what people were doing on the retail lending side and wholesale. So I had dreams of converting into a mortgage lender, and we did so and offered wholesale and retail. And guess what? We're back to being 100% broker, and we're super excited to talk about it. Let's get into it. So why Prime Choice Funding? Well, been around for a long time. We use state-of-the-art technology. We have world-class support and help. My personal team resources that I had when I was an originator are what people are using today. We have insane marketing and advertising. My team that I work with has been around the block. I've managed $15 to $20 million a year marketing budgets. So I understand what marketing is and how we can drive leads and how it can be impactful. We have loan programs for just about anybody. Like I said, we're attached to over 100 different wholesale lenders. So whatever's out there we can find in our loan marketplace. And we understand that we're dealing with loan officers across the country. So if you're talking to someone in California, they might want a different compensation plan than someone in South Carolina. So we have flexible compensation plans. And also the ability to sell solar energy. The solar energy business is booming, and it's helping homeowners save money. And in this market, whether they're saving money through a refinance or eliminating their electric bill, it's a strong product offering. So good stuff there. Talk about the Prime Choice Funding, what you have access to, the value propositions. We have an online ramp-up guarantee, a new listings lead service. So when a new listing pops up, we can help you get word of that or know about it. Loan programs for just about anybody. We have a loan officer hub. We'll check that out in a second. And we have awesome operations and marketing support, very responsive and accountable. So great teams to help you grow and build your business and take care of your client. So we've got two different product offerings. We've got some folks where they want to be completely independent. That's really built for the entrepreneur, people that are willing to invest in their business. Maybe you want to be a mortgage broker, but you don't want to take on all of the extra steps that mortgage brokers do. Accounting, compliance, call reports every year. So some benefits of the independent: access to over 100 wholesale lenders, processing and corporate tools and policies and procedures. All of our vendors, so from marketing to credit and to whatnot, we have vendors that we are approved with that help give better deals than someone walking off the street. Access to our loan scenario desk. So, hey, you got a tough to do file. We have a loan scenario desk where you can go fill out some information and it gets sent out to the account executives that we work with and also to internal marketing and management. In-house processing. So we take care of all of your processing from soup to nuts. You have access to our loan officer hub. We'll look at that here in a few. And in the hub, you're going to see marketing flyers, branding assets, all kinds of cool stuff. And then operation support. So we've got a great internal team, and we treat every loan like it's our own, because when you work with us, that's how we feel. We talk about full service. Now, the independent, you're going to be a little bit more of an entrepreneur. You're responsible for a lot of your own third-party fees, and we can talk more about that on a one-on-one. Full service, you get a bit more hand-holding. You get a personalized marketing and web page that we pay for. You have an in-house loan officer, assistant, and processor, so you get that full in-house support system. We have lead generation services available, so if you want to join on the corporate marketing side of things, there may be opportunity there, but we can also help you with your own marketing as well. If you want lead generation, branding assets, whatever the case is, we have an inside team to help you with that. We've got a pre-approval desk, so and we're building it out to be a 7-day-a-week pre-approval desk. We're not there yet, but we're coming. where if you need a client to help get your pre-approval set up and done, we'll have resources for you. Depending on your volume, if you're a branch and you need a DBA and you're doing a lot of business, we could talk about that. One thing that we're finding is extremely beneficial for loan officers in this environment is a bit of a 90-day ramp-up guarantee. So like I said, we have access to leads and other marketing techniques to help you get that pipeline boost that you may need, like the new listing services. You want to match up with real estate agents over the nation, but you don't know who to talk to. We have that data. We can get it to you. A lot of people in this market are chasing down credit triggers, which is a big thing. As rates fall, you may want to stay in front of people that are applying because you might be able to do better for them. Access to realtor data. Like I said, we know what real estate agents are doing what. So if you want to know who's the top buy-side agent or sell-side agent, we can get you that data. And then comes included with our own loan operating system. You'll have access to our loan operating system where you can run credit. Leads can go into the CRM. And then, of course, sales management and support. We have ongoing coaching. And so it really help you, in this market, in future markets, game planning, figuring out what your business plan is. So whether you know that you want to go with the independent model or you want to go with full service, what you think about, we can have a one-on-one. Let's get into the numbers and we'll talk more about that. Each has its own pricing model. So if you're independent, you get to keep a certain portion, whereas on full service, you make a certain portion. We can customize your plans. We have different tiers. We want to talk and get to know you to show you which one may be right for you, which one may not. Loan Officer Hub offers a variety of resources and tools, including a list of approved lending partners, their resources. We have social media pages, marketing flyers, scenario desk, training videos. So all of this stuff has been built and consolidated in an organized manner to help give you the resources that you'll need and more. So when we have a one-on-one, we can dig into any one of these topics here. Here's our marketing flyer, can integrate with our pricing engines, put your personal information on there. If you have real estate partners, we can get their information on there as well. We can get this over to our white label marketing service that we can offer to you. Social media images, our loan officer hub comes loaded with a bunch of stuff. So if you want to log in at any time and give yourself some social media presence that you may or may not already have, we have those tools for you as well. And then personalized websites. We have a standard website platform that we put up. If you have your own resources that you want to bring in, we can look at that as well. But regardless, we have that full suite set up for you. Integrated where you can have your online loan applications go direct to your loan operating software where you get notified of everything, and so does your internal team. So it makes you look really good out there on the web. And the ability to sell solar energy. We have people selling solar and they're making, anywhere from $500 for just a referral for handing the deal off all the way to $7,000 as an actual solar salesperson. And it's an amazing opportunity, something that's not only helping the environment, but also helping homeowners save a lot of money, a lot, more than what refinances may save them at times. And also another value proposition that you can add to your clients. And everything we do is in-house. So real estate, mortgage, solar, we have in-house services for all of that. Pretty good stuff. If you have any questions, go ahead and talk with anybody hosting your particular meeting and our account executives. We're here to serve you guys. We're looking forward to any questions that you have, setting up subsequent meetings, all of that good stuff. We want to help you grow your business, and we want you to feel confident that when you do make the decision to come with Prime Choice Funding, you're doing so knowing that this is not just going to be a place where you do loans, but it's going to be your future home for a long time. And we're looking forward to that. So thank you very much and have a great day.